Well, good morning, and it is Friday again, and there's a person on the other side you can see him. Let's hope he doesn't look back. Dum 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 dum. Well, today is Friday the 31 of May? 31st. 31st? May? Huh? I thought I heard someone. Oh yeah. So, my cat is itching with her ears and she's like, so we bought her a cap and we put it on. And the cute little fella. Yeah, you're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. Dum, 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 dum. Oh. Oh. Really? What do you have here? Oh. Oh. You're so cute. So, I'm pretty happy because it's the last day of the week. Yeah. Yeah. Let me say work week. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah. The only downside is that I go to my internship from 9 till 5, you know, like that sound, and then I have an hour to get back to, or not get back to, but go to my job. And what I'm doing there, doing dishes all day, every day. So in that hour, I need to render the vlog, upload the vlog, to write the description. Not that I write a really big description, just 2 words. And so all that kind of fun stuff. So, how's your week going? Week. Wow, I'm too Dutch for this. How's your week going? Well, my butt hurts. Wow. Edit it out. Leave it in. Alright. So we'll leave that in and yeah. What can I say? That tomorrow on Saturday is nothing much going on probably. I've no idea what the plans are. What I know is that what's it called? I need to work from 7 till 10, so 3 hours. And then after 10 o'clock I need to get finished and all that kind of stuff in an hour. Because after that I'm going to a party. So we'll try to film with my iPhone or something, and I guess this will be a short one. We end off on the cat because I have nothing else to talk about. Maybe I can ramble a little more. Maybe not. I guess I can because there's no topic in my head that I can think of. Could think of. Man, I'm so bad. Yes, sir, we just woke up. Just got finished and ready to go. And all that kind of fun stuff. So, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And as always, have a nice day.